Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I'm back with another Cupshe swimsuit try-on haul. Let's do it. I got a mix of bikinis, one pieces, some clothes, some cute things. So without further ado, let's jump in. Let's start with bikinis, I guess, and then we'll go to one pieces, then we'll go to clothes. All the things will be in the description box down below. Big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. You guys know I was rocking with them for probably plus 6 years now. I've been wearing Cupshe swimsuits. It's all I wear. I'm obsessed. Love their fit, love the quality, the designs, everything. They just nail it, and they did provide me with a coupon code. I'll have it on the screen as well as in the description box down below so you can check it out. Yeah, we got some fun ones. I'm always in a bikini because I have a pool and I'm just always in it. Every weekend we have friends over or we're in there or something, so I'm always in the market for good ones, new ones, and yeah, let's jump in. Okay, let's start with my favorite, okay, the one that like stole the show. I personally love a swimsuit that has this style where it's string on the bottom but like more of like the material all the way over, like a halter style instead of a thin strap. I just feel like it holsters everything up better, and this colorway looks so chic and so cool, and I love all the little dangly beads. Comes with these little bottoms which are so flattering, and these like sound like a rattlesnake if you twist your hips, you know? Love this pattern. It's almost like a basket weave. I don't know, it has a little emblem in the back. I love this. I think I'm gonna bring this to Colorado for some hot tubby time, so I'll throw that over there so don't forget it, which I probably will. This swimsuit I actually wore this past weekend. I loved the color combination of this maroon with this blue, so pretty. The little gold infinity buckle here, and then it's got a different back which I've never seen, which I actually love. It's almost like a bra strap that can tighten, and it's really quite nice. It's got a traditional tie at the top, but if this went all the way up, like this part, game over. It would be the best. But no, I do love just traditional triangle tops as well, and this color combination was doing everything for me. I love when I can get the tops and the bottoms in different sizes because I am a large on top but a small slash medium on the bottom. If it's tie top or tie sides, I can do a small because I can adjust it, but if it's typically like a flat, which I'll have all my sizing down below, I will typically go with a medium because I carry a lot of my weight in my hip area, so it's nice to like not have too much digging. But I love these bottoms. Again, so cute. Okay, this bathing suit reminds me of like the Hansa G, I want to say. I've never owned anything like that, but their whole like thought process is like how stretchy it is. But I love the pattern on this, and this light pink is so pretty. This is a very like more conservative coverage. I think I probably got this in a medium, but again, I'll have all the details. Love that. It's kind of almost like this like stretchy, it reminds me of those stretchy tops I used to buy all the time. The top on this is adorable. The little pink seashell, adorable. Got the little silver, oh that's interesting. The gold is at that, but the silver's on the straps. Interesting. Love the back on this. It's like all twisty, curvy. I just put it on like this, but if I was probably like gonna be doing a bunch of swimming, I would tie this a little tighter to give myself a little more support underneath. But very cute, like cage sort of detailed design on the back, but again, the same material. And it's kind of got like this ruching at the bottom, which is, I think, very, very flattering. And the cups are not going, like they don't spread, which I honestly like. I feel like it gives you more cleavage. So if you feel like your boobs go apart, find bathing suits that have like a, stitched there so it doesn't, so it just like forces them to go together. As opposed to something like this, which can tend to just naturally spread apart if your boobs spread apart. I don't really care. I'm just saying if you want cleavage, these are the ones that are not gonna give you as much as the other ones will. I loved this. I love the like different pattern on it. It's got like stripes and gold chains and ropes and shells and stuff. I don't know, I really liked the brown, and then this little gold cutout as well with the little gold beads. And then the bottoms, again, same. The little gold cutouts with the brown strings, so cute. And yeah, it's kind of got like a world map thing. I don't know, love this. Very simple, but like kind of fun with the pattern. Okay, this next one, I wish I had gotten a smaller top in, but this is actually like gorgeous. The color of this is stunning. Like, I think I just need a smaller top. I also love when they do these little bubbles. I think they're fun. But this is that style top that's almost like a bandeau, shows a little bottom boob, but I can't get mine tight enough. I could always add like another stitch here, but I feel like I could have used a medium in this top instead of a large, so that way I could get a little more security under the boob. This would be a fine tanning bikini, and I honestly love the color of this. It's stunning. Adjustable straps in the back, and then the bottoms are the most flattering thing. They have kind of like a dip V, very subtle, like dipped V at the back or in the front, and then kind of a skimpy bottom, but so cute. The perfect like layout sort of bikini, which I might do later today. Who knows? Let's finish up bikinis. Okay. This one is, if you want something with a little more like underwire coverage, this is a split underwire, which I actually really enjoy. Love the black and white. And I also love straps that are kind of thicker like this. I don't know. I think they give more of like a top sort of look instead of just a bikini, but like so cute. And then you cannot go wrong with this. I wish that bathing suit that I just showed you had the tie in the back like this, because that is perfect for getting the perfect amount of tightness in the back. Adorable. And then these bikinis have more of like a mid-rise sort of vibe. Again, this has the silver little emblem in the back, but really cute black and white little flower details. So again, more of like a mid-rise, medium, fuller coverage. For that one, same thing with this one. I love bikinis that do this thing on the side where the pattern is the same, but it has this like ruching and it goes a little wider. So I feel like it just doesn't dig in. Again, more of like a mid to high rise, better coverage, little gold emblem in the back. And I love, this is different than the other one as it has like a middle that's a different color versus this is just black, but so cute. And then the top, this is not underwear though. This one's just plain. Again, a little bit thicker of straps, not as thick as the black ones, but a little bit thicker. This one, again, has that bra clasp, so I'm not able to get it as tight as I would like, so I wish it had that tie, but still, I can get it tight enough for, like, laying out. Adorable. Are you kidding? I love all the metal embling they've been doing this year. I just think it's so cute. But again, kind of almost like a cinched bandeau with a little bit of bottom boob if you want it. You don't need to do it, but kind of naturally float. All right, let's move on to one pieces. This one I thought was so chic. It's got like a very deep V cutout, very flattering, with this adorable like off-white bow in the back. Like, are you kidding? That's so cute. Halter top, very flattering, very, very, very high cut sides. If that's not your thing, don't go for that one. I have more options that are like more coverage on the sides. I liked this color a lot. I would say I think I could have done a small in these. I mean, it just depends. I don't think I have a very long torso. I don't think it's short by any means, but I don't think it's super long, so it can be like a little loose in the tummy area, but I don't think that's a bad thing with this. I feel like it's meant to look a little ruched there. Love the silver and thought this was really cute. Silver on the back as well to match, but these are almost like a, like not a low rise, but not high rise. Like, have better coverage on the sides if that's something you're interested in. Ties on both sides so you really get the best customized fit. This blue is stunning and I love the pattern of this. I have a bikini that's like this kind of pattern and color. Again, same kind of midsection where that's all like covered and then the back and stuff is out. This, again, I loved the cup pads on these, so cute. Little tie around the neck, and there's a tie with a cutout in the back, but this is just an easy, cute one. This is a little more like sexy, if you will, like maybe like a beach club type of vibe. I lost the, oh. This is the little chain that goes around. I take all the chains off and keep them in my jewelry box and then like add them to swimsuits if I want them, when I want them, which I think is fun because you can kind of mix and match. But this has a gold deep V. The ruching on the front of this is so cute. It's that brown with the gold run through. I will say this is kind of like a little scratchy, but it doesn't feel scratchy when it's on because it's lined, if that makes sense. Gold, so cute, halter, deep V. This is really actually stunning, but not like an everyday sort of wear, more of like, I would say if you're going to like a pool party, club party type of vibe. Me, probably not. But I mean, it's cute if that occasion happens. Okay, let's move into clothes. Let's do little sets first. I thought this set was precious and screamed just like luxury. I don't know why. Cute little like linen, like, I don't think it's actual linen, but skirt. It is a full skirt, not a skirt. Little tie waist. I think this is actually like the most adorable thing in the world. I want to say I got this in a small. Yeah, small. It's got a zipper in the side. So cute. And then if you feel like you go balls to the walls with pattern, then go for it. I loved it as a set. I think it almost looks like a dress, like a very, I don't know, very cute. Again, kind of linen-like with the like palm turquoisey color with the brown kind of tied in. I just thought this was so cute. This could be paired with so many different things, mix and match. And I love it together as well. Okay, next set, something that I wish I had when we were in Mexico because I thought this was so cute. I love the brown and the blue. I love brown and blue color combination together. It's got this halter style top that ties in the back with like a thicker tie. I love the like off-centered, what do I want to call it? Not abstract. Asymmetrical sort of pattern and design, and it carries down the pants as well. These have pockets in them, but you can see there's like a thick side on this side and then it kind of trails down into the bottom where there's like that. So cute. I just thought it was really fun and looked really expensive, but it's very affordable. If you know Cupshe, you know. Okay. One more set. I don't know if this is a set, but I mean, it's cute together. These little knit shorts. I'm a sucker. So cute, like micro shorts. Love this color so much. And then I got this little, are you kidding? This is me. It's happy. I'm happy in this little chevron, not chevron, but I don't know, like little wavy. It's like this sweater. How can it not make you happy when you stare at it? I'm in love. Okay. These pants. I'm thinking I styled them. How did I style them? Oh, with the linen navy blue tube top, but I was also thinking of short sleeve, navy button up, anything, navy tank. These fit so incredibly well and look expensive. I mean, they kind of look like curtains, but I don't hate it. Like, I could have curtains like this in like a beach house, but I also love the fit of these pants. Okay, kind of obsessed. These are lined, very nice. I think they're only lined like halfway, yeah, into like shorts, but you can't see them, which is nice. These are so cute. Like, again, look way more expensive than they are. And then last but not least, this little floral, like kind of silky dress. I wouldn't wear this on its own. I would wear it more as like a cover up, unless you were going someplace like Vegas or something where it don't matter, throw some pasties on because it's slightly see-through. Cute little tie around the top with these little turquoise beads, halter, and then it's just kind of a full-length floral dress. There is no print on the back, it's kind of just on the front, but I still think it's really pretty. So very silky, very stretchy, very like see-through-y sort of thing, not something you would wear like to a wedding or anything like that. Don't get that vibe from that, but I get like pool party, I don't know, vacation, so on and so forth. But anyways, that is everything that I picked up from Cupshe this month. I'll have all the details in the description box as well as the YouTube shop button, however you prefer to shop. Again, big shout out to them for partnering with me on today's video and always providing a coupon code. I'll have that on the screen as well as in the description box. And yeah, if you are not shopping for Cupshe for your bikinis, I don't know what you're doing. You're missing out on so many cute, affordable, just great bikinis. Like, you can't go wrong. So, love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.